Hey y'all, so you might be able to hear the boys watching TV in the background, but we just got home from our Disneyland trip. We've been gone for 6 days, and tomorrow morning I go in for an EP study on my heart. That's where they're going to put a wire in through my leg up to my heart and check things out. So today we are doing mass unpacking, laundry, cleaning, anything that needs to get done, because there's a 50-50 chance that tomorrow night I'll spend the night in the hospital, and we don't know if there'll be complications or anything. Like, it should be smooth, but I want it to be fully unpacked and the laundry going. So right now we're going to keep unpacking, start some laundry in just a minute, and just try to make sure everything is all set up and good to go before I go into that procedure tomorrow at 10 a.m. So let's keep going and unpack everything. One area that I do feel like we saved a lot of money on this trip is snacks. We brought tons of snacks for the kids. They had snacks from us throughout the day in the parks and when we were at our hotel room, so we were not continuously buying snacks, even though I love all the Disneyland snacks, the treats, but this saved us so much money by just bringing a ton of snacks that they already liked, and their snacks that now, as I'm unpacking what is left over, I know they're going to eat and enjoy over the next few weeks, so nothing was wasted, which was really great. Did end up with a few more snacks left over than I thought we would. And there's a few things we ran out of early that, for some reason, my youngest really got on applesauce kick during this trip, and I ran out at one point, and he was very upset. But we got snacks, they're going to eat them, and it saved us a ton of money by not consistently buying snacks throughout the day in the parks over those 3 days, and why we traveled as well. So just getting everything put back here into the cabinets and the drawers, all nice and organized again, especially now that my eldest is home for the summer. He's going to be snacking pretty much all day. I might need to do the snack basket trick that I've seen a few people do online, where they have, one designated snack basket for the kids for the day, because he's going to be snacking. We're also going to get everything else unpacked around the house, so getting our sunscreens put away, medications and whatnot. I just want everything in its place. Now, this is not an unpacking thing, but this was something that was driving me up the wall. I asked my eldest to put away all his reading books before we left, and he just threw them up there. And yes, I know I should have him correct his mistake and give him that feedback, but I just want to get it done real quick, and I needed to sit down for a minute. I was getting dizzy, so this was a good little break for me to be able to organize that and also sit down and kind of let my body readjust. Now jumping into laundry stains, I spilled Pepsi all over my white t-shirt. That was super great. And then my boys, when we went to Goofy's kitchen, my eldest was chowing down on fresh watermelons. We have watermelon stains all down his shirt. And with my youngest, chocolate milk stains. So we're going to get these treated real quick so we can get those into the laundry as well, and hopefully have none of our white shirts end up having permanent stains from this Disneyland trip.
I really should've known. decide. After all this time, this was it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. Be with that and right till we hit a red light. Did I see the signs? Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it never was. No, you can't decide.
Now, I don't know about you, but I am one of those people where if it is a clothing item or a blanket that comes with us, it is getting washed. I don't care if it's dirty or not. I don't care if it was worn or not. I am going to wash it, which does leave a lot of laundry for me to do when I get home, but I just rather have everything clean and be able to put everything away clothing-wise at once. So I'm going through both our suitcases, pulling everything out that needs to get washed, things that don't need to be washed and just need to be put away around the house, just so I can get these suitcases fully cleared out and out of my living room. This entry area of our living room, it's a small entryway into the room. And with the way the couch is, it kind of makes this area an entry area. But it gets cluttered so fast with shoes, backpacks, things that come home from school, art projects, things from karate, that I just need to get these suitcases out of here ASAP, or they are going to live here for like 2 weeks and annoy me every single day as we walk in and out of the house. Now, this is the minute with laundry where I realized something went wrong in the washer. There were food crumbs all inside the washer to the point where I had to go and get my Mr. Clean spray and some paper towels to clean up all the crumbs because this was going to mess up my washer. I don't know where they all came from because I didn't have anything that I thought had crumbs all over it in the load, but apparently I did. So I'm going to take a few minutes and wipe all this down. At some point I need to do an actual clean cycle of the washer, but we got so much laundry to do today that we're just going to wipe this down real quick.
So I'm a bit frustrated. I just got a call from registration and they have moved my procedure up to a check-in time of 8 a.m. and a procedure time of 10 a.m., which is a 2-hour difference. I was originally supposed to check in at 10, procedure at noon, and no one said anything until today, and it's already after 3:30. Which, it's great. It is what it is. We'll figure it out. I'm not gonna be hungry as long as I can't have anything to eat or drink after midnight tonight, but I need to rearrange childcare for tomorrow for our eldest, and I had a plan for my husband to drop off a gift at my old office for someone who's retiring, and their retirement party's tomorrow, so now we need to refigure out that timeline so he can be with me a bit. So let's jump back in. I just switched the laundry over. Really frustrated with that though too, because I didn't realize something had crumbs all in it. I don't know if it was a bag. I don't know if it was one of the kids' t-shirts with a bunch of stuff, but there's crumbs all in my washer. I just got most of them out, but at some point today I need to run a clean cycle through the washer with the actual Tide cleaner, but I need to get laundry done. So balancing that when my washer starts yelling at me at some point today, which I know it will, we'll run the clean cycle and then continue on with laundry.
Now, I do want to give a shout out to these ice bags. This is one of my best purchases. I will link them below. I think I'll also link the YouTuber below that I got this idea from. These are ice bags where you can just put ice from your hotel into them and then put those in your cooler. Disney does not allow loose ice, but our hotel did not have a freezer, so my ice packs could not be frozen. So this is kind of like a workaround, a cheap system to still put in loose ice into these bags and have them work in your cooler. So I'll link those below. They were amazing. We never got in trouble for them, and we went through security at least 3 or 4 times a day because we were going back and forth to the hotel. So they worked out really well. Now I'm just going to clean our travel potty. This is the MVP of our trip. With a potty training toddler, we use this potty so much. It's very easy to clean. I just use Dawn dish soap, in all honesty. It gets rid of any mess and any smell. I'll also link this potty below because this is amazing. It's kind of like a thermos, so if there is mess and you don't have the ability to toss the mess right away, it seals completely, so there's no leaks in any potty spilling all over your car, which is great. Typically, I just let it air dry once I've cleaned it. You can wipe it down real quick, but this has worked out well for us.
We were sparks on quiet streets, 2 hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what it like that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Wrapping up my unpack with me, I am fixing one of my son's toys that he got at California Adventure. It broke right when we got into the hotel. So I'm just going to quickly Gorilla Glue this together real quick, and then I'll be ready to go for him tomorrow. I wanted to say thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video and unpack with me. We had a great trip at Disneyland. Please look at the previous vlog if you'd like to see all that, but it has been a whirlwind of a few hours traveling home, getting everything cleaned up, and prepping for my procedure tomorrow. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and staying healthy, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Please make sure to like and subscribe.